What is the difference between the central and peripheral nervous systems? Breaking news in the world of human anatomy. The question on many people's minds right now is, what is the difference between the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system? As we continue to learn more about our bodies, understanding these systems is essential. So, let's break it down in a straightforward way. The human nervous system is divided into two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Each part plays a distinct role in how our bodies function. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. It acts as the control center, processing information and managing both voluntary and involuntary actions. The brain processes sensory information, controls our movements, and manages functions like thought, emotion, and memory. The spinal cord serves as a communication highway, transmitting messages between the brain and the rest of the body. It also facilitates reflexes and controls some involuntary functions like breathing and heart rate. On the other hand, the peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves that branch out from the brain and spinal cord. It is responsible for transmitting information between the central nervous system and the rest of the body. This system is further divided into two subsystems. The first is the somatic nervous system, which controls voluntary actions such as walking and talking. The second is the autonomic nervous system, which regulates involuntary functions like heart rate, digestion, and blood pressure. Now, let's look at the key differences between these two systems. The central nervous system is located within the skull and spinal column, while the peripheral nervous system consists of nerves extending throughout the body. In terms of function, the central nervous system processes information and controls the body's functions, while the peripheral nervous system transmits information between the central nervous system and other body parts. The central nervous system is responsible for both voluntary and involuntary actions, whereas the peripheral nervous system primarily facilitates communication. Understanding these differences is essential for appreciating how the nervous system coordinates and controls the body's activities. As you can see, both systems work together to keep our bodies functioning smoothly. The more we learn about them, the better we can understand our health and well-being.